In this video, we're going to find critical values for two sample t-tests from 8.2. So let's use the t-distribution table, which I have over here on the right, table 5 from your textbook, to find the critical values for the indicated alternative hypotheses, level of significance alpha, and sample size n1 and n2. Assume that the sample sizes are random and independent and that the populations are normally distributed. Complete parts A and B. So first, find the critical values, assuming that the population variances are equal. So that would be the way we calculate degrees of freedom there is to add n1 plus n2 and then subtract 2. So 14 plus 13 is 27. 27 minus 2 is going to be 25. So we come to row 25. 10% for our two-tail test alpha, and our column is going to be plus or minus 1.708. And then we have part B to assume that they are not equal. So when they're not equal, we find the minimum of n minus 1, n1 minus 1, and n2 minus 1. So that would be 13 over 12. The minimum is 12. Go over to the column where alpha equals 10. And this is going to be 1.782 plus or minus negative 1.782, positive 1.782. That's it for this problem. Let's move on to the next one here. Let's use the t-distribution table for the critical values for this. So we're going to have one tail to the left. One tail alpha is 0.025. So we're in this third column here. And then n1 is 13, n2 is 11. It gives me 24 minus 2 is 22. So third column, 22, and we're to the left, so a negative 2.074. And then we're going to take the minimum of 12 or 10 is 10. Third column, negative 2.228. If the variances are not equal. And then third and final problem, going one tail to the right, 10%. So we are in this first column here. And n is 18 for n1, n is 2 or is 8 for n2. This is 26 minus 2 is 24. So this is going to be 1.318. Minimum of 17 and 7 is 7. So that's 1.415. And I believe that's it for this video. Yes, it is. So we'll come back next time and we'll keep talking about more topics from chapter 8. See you for the next video.